If you're ready to start an LLC in Wyoming, you're in the right place. I've personally set up my own LLC in Wyoming, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the exact step-by-step process so you can do it yourself without any confusion. By the end of this tutorial, you have everything you need to form your LLC. You get your EIN number and understand all the ongoing requirements to keep your business compliant. We'll cover the real costs, the timeline you can expect, and I'll show you exactly which documents you'll receive. Plus, these setups work perfectly if you're running a local small business, do freelancing, or sell online through platforms like Shopify. I'm gonna keep this practical and straightforward, so let's dive right into it. But first, let's talk about why you would choose Wyoming for your LLC. And the main reason you want to do this, if you are living or resident in Wyoming, or if you are a non-US resident, which I'll get into later. Because as you might know, there are some solid business advantages that make Wyoming attractive for LLC formation. First of all, there are huge tax benefits. There are no state income tax for individuals or corporations in the state, so there's 0% tax on the business profits and 0% state tax. Secondly, Wyoming has a business-friendly environment with relatively low fees and has straightforward filing requirements. Wyoming is also one of the strongest asset protection and privacy laws in the country, and for non-US residents this is especially attractive because you can form a Wyoming LLC from anywhere in the world and benefit from these protections while operating globally. The one thing to keep in mind though is that Wyoming does have compliance requirements, especially with annual filings. You'll need to file an annual report every year on the first day of the month your LLC was formed, and missing a deadline can lead to big fines. Now before we jump into the formation process, let's first talk about what an LLC exactly is in Wyoming. And in short, an LLC combines the flexibility and the tax benefits of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. Basically, it creates a separate legal entity of your business, which means your personal assets are protected from business debts and legal issues. It's one of the most popular business structures for a good reason. And now here's something that trips up a lot of people. I would highly recommend using a registered agent in the state of Wyoming for forming your LLC. A registered agent is basically an official representative in the state who receives legal documents and government notices on behalf of your LLC. Though to be a registered agent, they must have a physical address in Wyoming and be available during business hours by law in the state. Now let's say hypothetically you would list your own home address as the registered agent. That is technically possible, but all your details would be available on the public record. Anyone can look up your LLC and see your personal address. Plus, when you're not available, if important legal documents arrive, you could miss critical deadlines. That's why I always recommend using a professional registered agent service. It protects your privacy, ensures you never miss important documents, and keeps you compliant with the state requirements. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do this with Northwest Registered Agent. I've used them personally and they're reliable, reasonably priced, and make the whole process very straightforward. Now to follow along, you can go to the link in the description or type in buyhassle.com/Northwest. This will bring you over to the homepage and saves you over $200 in filing fees. From here we can simply click on Let's Get You Started, and this will bring us to the page from where we can start forming our company. First, we will see the different options for the business type. Of course, here we want to select LLC, and then we want to select the state of our business, which obviously we want to select as Wyoming. So we type in Wyoming and then select the state. Then straight away, you will see the pricing showing up with the basic package of Northwest of $39 and the Wyoming processing fee in the state of $104. And without the discount, this total would be around $300, so you're saving a nice bit of money. Now from here, we can click continue, and this is where we can fill in the actual information of our company. First up is the company name. This needs to be unique in Wyoming and has to end with limited liability company or LLC. So for this video, I'm gonna do Vector Tube LLC. And for the questions, send a copy of lawsuits and legal notices to your attorney. For most people, this is not relevant. I'm gonna click no. And then here for the business purpose, you can fill in what you're gonna do. Drop shipping, you have an agency, you can fill it in right here, but just for the sake of simplicity, you can select use generic business purpose. That's what I've done as well. Then we get the addresses, and this is for the physical address that we want to be on record with the state and the mailing address. For both of these options, I would recommend selecting the registered agent address. This is the best option and keeps your own private address off the records. Now from here we can click continue and we can select our company management. We have two options, either member managed or manager managed. For most people, member managed is the best. You simply want to fill in your first name and last name and then also assign it to the address of the registered agent. If you want to add multiple members, you can click add member right here and also add that person to the company. Then next you want to fill in your contact information, and this is not going to be public or on any of the records. This is just for Northwest to complete the purchase and communicate with you. Now then we can go to business identity right here, and this is where we get some optional services. For this one, we have a business website, email address, and phone number. Now I would highly recommend you not using this, as it's not necessary and you can get better options elsewhere, and it's not a free option, it's a free trial of 90 days. However, the next service, when we go to optional items right here, is absolutely critical, and that is the tax ID, also the EIN. When we click on this, we can see a federal tax ID number, also known as EIN, employer identification number, is necessary. You'll need this to open up bank accounts, file taxes, and basically do anything with your LLC. Now you could get the EIN yourself from the IRS, but it's a hassle and can take weeks. Northwest can handle this for you for about $50 if you're a resident. If you're a foreigner, it's going to be a little more expensive, but for the time saving alone, I recommend them handling it, so select this option. The other options like S corporation, elections with the IRS, trademark filing, DBA trade name filing are usually not relevant, and you can also add these later if needed. Then we can click on continue, and now you will see the total pricing and you can complete the purchase. Talking about pricing, let's show the real cost here, because it's important for your business planning. First, for the initial formation, the Wyoming state filing fee that goes directly to the state is $104, the Northwest filing fee $39, and the EIN service, if you're a resident, is $50, so the total initial formation cost is close to $200, which is very reasonable. However, that's not everything, because there are also ongoing costs. First of all, you need to file an annual report in the state, which is $60 per year, and the Northwest registered agent fee after the formation is $125 per year. So total annually is very similar to the formation investment, it's $185. I'm telling you this upfront because you need to factor these recurring costs into your business planning. It's not only a one-time expense. Now, after you complete the order with Northwest, they start the process of filing your company. An LLC formation in Wyoming is super fast, usually within 1 to 2 business days. The EIN process takes about 1 to 2 weeks when Northwest submits it for you, which is faster than doing it yourself. Once everything is approved, you first get access to your company dashboard inside Northwest, from where you can manage your company information, filings, and documents. You'll get access to the article of organization, which is your official proof that the LLC is legally formed in the state. You will get assigned a registered agent address. This is the official address in Wyoming from Northwest. You will receive the EIN number, the employer identification number, which is your business tax ID used for any of your LLC operations and communicating with the tax authorities. And then your LLC branding, this is the name where you will be operating from, and your official business identity. With all of this, you're good to go and you can operate legally in the United States with your Wyoming LLC. But we are not done yet. Let's also talk about Wyoming taxation, because that's what a lot of people overlook. And with taxes, this is really where Wyoming shines. Wyoming LLCs are typically taxed as pass-through entities, which means you don't pay any taxes at the business level, only at personal level. It has no state income tax for individuals, so no state income tax, though you still need to pay federal income tax, self-employment tax. If you're a resident in the US, you would need to pay that in any state, but for foreigners, this can be a complete 0% tax setup. And because of this, it can save you $1,000 compared to high tax states like California or New York. Then also let's go quickly over the required annual filings and penalties, as that is important in this state, and every Wyoming LLC must file an annual report. For most LLCs, the fee is around $60, could be a little more if you have substantial assets in Wyoming. You can file this online through the state's portal under the business division in Wyoming. If you miss this deadline, you will receive a notice and have roughly 60 days to catch up. If you fail to file and pay during that window, your LLC can be dissolved. And really, I've seen people lose their LLCs because they forgot about this filing. So I recommend setting strong reminders or use a compliance service that monitors this for you. It's not worth the risk. Okay, so let's wrap it up. Wyoming is an excellent choice for LLC formation, especially with its no state income tax and business-friendly regulations. Using a professional registered agent like Northwest protects your privacy and keeps you compliant. And again, for all the resources I've used, I've left links down below in the description. They help support the channel and get you a better deal when forming your own LLC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.